In a world teeming with complexity, professionals in every field face a daunting challenge, managing intricate tasks under immense pressure. Mistakes, though human, can have dire consequences. In this high-stakes environment, how do we minimize error and maximize efficiency? Enter Dr. Atul Gawande, a surgeon at the brink of a critical realization. He shares a gripping tale of a surgery that almost went wrong, a moment where the thin line between life and death became glaringly evident. It's in these moments of vulnerability that Gawande begins to question, is there a better way? Gawande finds inspiration in an unexpected place, the aviation industry. He recounts the story of a seasoned pilot who averted disaster using a simple checklist. This revelation sparks a thought. Could a similar approach work in surgery? We witness the transformation as Gawande introduces checklists into his surgeries. The results are staggering. He describes how a simple checklist turned a near-fatal error into a routine procedure, dramatically reducing complications and saving lives. But the power of the checklist extends beyond the walls of the hospital. Gawande shares stories from construction sites to investment banks where checklists have turned chaos into order, preventing costly errors and enhancing overall performance. Through these narratives, Gawande illustrates a profound truth. In our complex world, simplicity can be revolutionary. The checklist, a tool so simple yet so powerful, becomes a key to unlocking efficiency and ensuring safety in the most intricate of tasks. Gawande's journey with the checklist is not just a story, it's a call to action. He urges us to take this tool and adapt it to our own fields. Whether you're a teacher planning lessons, an engineer designing systems, or a manager coordinating teams, the checklist can be your roadmap to excellence. It's about taking the lessons from the Checklist Manifesto and applying them to create tangible, positive changes in our work and lives. In the Checklist Manifesto, Atul Gawande doesn't just offer a solution. He provides a lens to view our work differently. By embracing the checklist, we don't just simplify tasks, we amplify our ability to make a difference. It's time to transform our challenges into triumphs, one checklist at a time.